Another common pattern we see with ERP software lawsuits is that organizations don't have a clear vision of what it is they want their future state to look like. They don't understand or have a good vision or a good articulation of what their operating model is going to be, how they want to structure the organization, how they want to improve their business. And oftentimes what they do is they hide behind this concept of just go find the technology and the technology will tell you how to run your business. And that's just simply not true, and it's not realistic. So much of today's software is so flexible that you have lots of different options in terms of how you can deploy even the simplest business process. So you have to have a pretty good vision of what it is you want out of the software. What are the showstoppers? What are the things you can live with or without? And that lack of clarity, if you don't have that, leads to a lot of problems later on, because now you're shooting in the dark, you're spinning your wheels. You expect a project team to guess and figure out what they think the organization should look like in the future. And oftentimes, more often than not, that's going to be misaligned with the reality of what executives want. So you want to make sure that you take the time up front before you even start implementing software. You want to make sure that you take the time to define what your future state's going to look like, both in terms of the operating model, the way the business processes are going to work, the way you're going to be organized, and ultimately the way you're going to use technology to improve your business.